Hey there, YouTube. Today, we're becoming true warriors of the steppe, and we're conquering Bardam's Mettle. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, like and subscribe. Meanwhile, in the keep of Doma Castle.
I would expect no less of Bahamut's conqueror.
He knows I beat Bahamut?
Prepare the airship. His Radiance will not object. We have fulfilled our obligations here. I would see this prize for myself.
Oh.
Do you understand why I appointed you to act in my stead? You, whose only accomplishment was to whisper the right words in the right ear. Because of your petty hatreds, they render you the perfect instrument to bleed your kinsman of hope, to make an example of Doma, such as was ordered. Listen well. If you yield Doma to the rebels, you will not be given another chance to beg forgiveness.
Ooh, Xenos, baby! Oh, I think I might be in love.
Duty, now. Or die with the rest of them.
But looking straight ahead while talking and only deigning to glance down at the end. Oh my god.
Are you alright, my lady? That was uncalled for.
And now she's gonna lash out at him. You know, it's a cycle of hatred, guys. Boss yells at the parent, parent yells at the child. Child has a temper tantrum at school.
Oh!
Girl threw him! Oh, she slapped him on his boo-boo, too.
You say your Eorzean is helping the rebels. I want him dead. I want his friends dead. I want the heads of everyone he knows and loves mounted on the castle walls.
Damn, girl.
You mean I can finally go after him?
Alright, come on. Bring it on.
I've been waiting for this chance. I promise you, my lady.
Oh, he won't escape this time.
Not this time, oh no.
Okay, excuse me. You ran away both times. Won't escape this time. The nerve. The nerve of this. Oh, I go Setsu. You're just chilling, huh? Ah, there you are. This is the cave. After you, Tlail. Alright, thanks for waiting for me, dude. That was kind. What a nice man. What a sweet boy. Map transition. I bet Lise feels right at home here. This kind of looks like Alamigo. Yo, look at those boys. Like yaks on steroids.
I remember the emptiness, vast and endless. The Azim Steppe, home to countless roaming tribes.
Oh god, those are fingers. That's just a giant palm.
A sacred land, watched over by elder gods. Here, we would find Doma's salvation.
And spoilers, Lise. Come on.
With the wind at our backs, we walked on.
Oh, they're the different kind of Aura. The darker skinned ones. Lighter skinned ones, I guess, are from under the ocean. Oh. Kien's just up there. How you doing, dude?
The Kami are merciful! My lord Hien, I see you are alive and well.
Ah, you are come sooner than expected.
Oh? He looks a little bit like Mitsurugi from
blade or my
Soul
head?
Calibur.
Which would you have of me?
The people of Yansha remain loyal to Doma. I have seen the fire in their eyes. They are ready to rise up and fight.
Me too.
The time is right,
go.
my lord. Return with us, blade in hand, and lead Doma to freedom.
Not less than liberty will suffice, then. A pity. It will prove far more difficult to deliver than my head. But if my people wish to pursue an impossible dream, then who am I to deny them?
Hell yeah. Dude. Ooh.
Go, Asetsu! And,
The Scions of the Seventh Dawn, my lord. Good and true friends who opened their hearts and homes to us when we fled to Eorzea. Far across the sea, they have journeyed to stand with us in the fight for Doman.
Oh, I accidentally skipped that.
say no more, Yugiri.
Hands up.
Say no more. I observed how you helped Serena, to whom I am deeply indebted. For that and for the aid you provided my people, you have my deepest gratitude.
You're welcome, my dude. Ooh, I love the eyebrow scar. Your boy? Is he one of the ones who were on your favorite list that you couldn't tell me?
There's no doubting your strength nor your character. It would be my honor to fight by your side.
Hell yeah. Yes?
So,
Oh, sweet.
what of Doma? Arise, my friends, and tell me of our home.
Number 1. Ooh. I'm excited. His sword is pretty badass, I will say
made my
that.
decision. Yugiri, I bid you return to Yansha and take charge of our forces in preparation for my homecoming. As for
Could
our
you turn that off, dear?
esteemed guests, I would ask that you remain
No,
here
the
with
sound.
me. I sense you will be a great help in the coming days.
Your will is my command, my lord, but how much longer do you intend to stay?
Oh, only until I have won the contest? I mean to return at the head of the Zayla army.
Oh.
You mean to participate in the Nardum?
Have you a better idea? Consider how soundly we were defeated before.
This is actually a pretty cool
The
idea.
Imperials may have since grown weaker, but we are weaker still.
My friends, I must warn you. The path upon which you embark is fraught with peril. You will journey into the far reaches of the steppe and confront the terrible foe, as you did the warrior of Bardam in days of yore. 3 days he battled with the demon ere he returned to his people. So it is written, so it must be. Many who follow in the footsteps perish, lacking the strength of body and mind. Therefore, we must treat you to a great feast. Oh, sweet. Actually, no. 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 I don't do feasts anymore in Final Fantasy. At all. Have I said something strange? The hungry fox stops, starting at the bull's... I'm gonna read this line. I'm gonna read it in her voice, and I'm not gonna laugh. The hungry fox starves staring at the bull's testicles. Therefore, warriors should be well fed on the eve of battle.
That is a sentence. Someone,
I got through it.
someone paid someone to write that sentence.
Cringe every time they're handed a beverage. Exactly. We had the frickin' the feast with Teleji, and then Heaven's Word, that insurrectionist poisoned us, basically knocked us out. Like, I'm not touching anything anyone else is giving me. It's ridiculous. You must journey far, far to the west, beyond Chak Zol, where lie the bones of a great and wise woman. Beyond the ruins of Kolain, hidden within the mountains is a narrow pass. Follow it and you'll come to Bardam's Mettle. Okay, sweet. That's like the best way to watch him, I think. God, I tried to do the PlayStation 5 stuff and it fucked everything up. Sounded to me like it would be trial, just getting to the trial. More than you may know. On the eve of the Nada, many strive to improve their fortunes, some by abducting and enslaving the warriors of other tribes. Oh my god. I think Yoshi put her in the game and gave her the most horrifying lines of dialogue, knowing that I would have to voice them someday. Be ever mindful of your surroundings, lest you be taken in as well. Oh, and don't get taken in by the bull's testicles, too. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you forget that you said that, game. Absolutely wild. What grim expressions you wear while nodding so powerfully. Warriors such as you are not like to fall en route to a mere rite of passage. Kasetsu's over there idle animating his mind away. He's like, alright, I gotta provide background movement for the young master. Alright, I think this looks natural, right? This is how people stand? No? Oh god. Oh, in a cutscene. That's what happens, chat. You're in a cutscene, and whoop, there pops your cue. Oh my. Has kind of Aztec-y vibes to it. This zone is really pretty. First time you get Vera Holy, you can do 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, I have to say. Could have had it at home with me now, but I'm not hauling that shoe. Wow. I mean, that's on you at that point. One of your... Oh, I'm sorry, Tank. I thought you had done some aggro for them. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. What is this tank doing, man? Oh, he forgot stance. Okay. I was like, is he just running past the mobs and not hitting them? Lucid dreaming. Yo, Chilled. How you doing, man? How goes it? Dungeon does hit hard. I got put in the dirt. Especially when the tank, you know, forgets to do their tank stuff. Hey, it's the door guys. And we have a naked bunny. Alright, starting off well. I mean, we have the opportunity to have a naked bunny on your team. I guess you take it. Yeah, definitely Dolphin. I am loving the Asm step. It's really, really fun. And aesthetically, it's great. I've always had a soft spot for like the tribal system, where they don't view any one spot as their nation. I always think that's a really interesting concept to explore because it's very underrepresented in media. That, and they're giving it some respect, too. It's not just like, ugh, these things, people don't know what nations are. We gotta teach them, you know? It's actually kind of embracing the concept and exploring it, which is nice. Oh, you don't need... Sorry, I missed that. It's one of your favorite non-Shadowbringers locations. Good, good, good. We're of the same mind, same good taste. And you have alcohol in them. Okay, sweet. So you want being left high and dry, as it were. Hot take alert. Shadowbringers has higher highs and lower lows than Heavensward. Heavensward's more consistent, it has cool locations and plot, but Shadowbringers has better moments overall. I think that it definitely has a better villain, 100%. Like, I love... Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, it has a great villain. I love it so much. His name was,
Xenos? Xenos? But definitely, no, don't rush at me. Definitely has a better villain. And I think the supporting cast is getting better representation. Which I like a lot. So, oh, the sheep are scared. Oh god, I was stunned. But I haven't experienced all of it yet. I'm not even in post-game, so. Welcome back, Iron. You caught me just as the queue popped. Do some Bardam's Mettle. Yeah, Xenos is a great villain. I am in love as well. He doesn't deserve to be as cool as he is, but just like it's not just his design or his character. He also has mannerisms. So like, how to phrase it? One thing that really, really caught me as like this is why he's a great character. Is when he was... Oh, I got stunned again. Nope. Oh, hey, this is gonna hurt. Oh, I got out of it. When he was disciplining that betrayer chick, it was a Yuki something. He just looked straight ahead, didn't acknowledge her at all until the very end, where he looked down at this corner of his eye in disdain. He has so much personality written into both his character, dialogue, and just the way he's animated too. And that's what's really setting him apart for me as a really good villain. Oh? What? What just happened? Sorry, team. I got kind of awestruck by that thing. Oh my gosh! Oh no! I did totally ignore you. Lena, welcome back. How you doing? It's been a while since I get to see you. There's a problem with like looking over in chat every couple seconds, be like, oh, what happened? I'm not used to having this many people. But how's it going, Lena? I know you said that you've been really exhausted lately. I hope you're feeling better. Orangey drink is ever oranged without being orange? What? What are you drinking? A screwdriver? I used to mix whiskey with orange soda. So if you want to have a little bit of vomit in your mouth, you can hear that take. Xenos is best boy even if he is a monster. I missed my last thing. I definitely agree. I think he has an amazing characterization to him. Honestly, all of the characters so far have had great characterization in this expansion. And, you know, with the stream title, you know I got a new boyfriend, so... Xenos has the same appeal to me that Goku does. He's for combat for the sake of combat. Yes, definitely. I think that is. He has very simple motivations, but the way he pursues them is interesting. It's not just like, I want to fight you. It's like, I want to build a nation that is either broken by me or rises up to fight me. So, I definitely see the comparison, but what's kind of cool... Am I fighting? Oh, this is Bardam. Hi. The cool thing with me about Xenos is that he creates his enemies, as opposed to just... Oh. Okay, hi, guy. As opposed to just being like Goku, who fights out of necessity. Oh, God. Oh. I misunderstood. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I'm being held in contempt of court. Going all right really helps going out with some people. To drink all the way. Okay, that's definitely true. It's definitely much better to be able to actually spend time with people. What am I doing? What is this quest? Stay away from me. I don't know what's going on. I want to, like, talk with chat and enjoy them, but I literally have no idea what's happening. Xenos? Okay, I got you. Not Xenos. Oh, that's actually a good thing to bring up. Orange soda with vodka, and the vodka's blue. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a blue curacao, or? Dodging? How dare you? I don't like dodging things. Xenos says the warrior of light yandere. All I have to do is rely on these guys to carry me, I guess. In your quadrant list, you need to dodge stuff. Gotcha. Oh no. No, I failed. I'm sorry. I didn't understand it. My brain's small. Back over here, I think. Hey, I did it. I kind of understood that one. Oh, it's blue curacao is like it's a type of alcohol you put in things. How do you even describe blue curacao? Oh god, you might just have to look it up. If you play Al Ra in this quest, you get a custom line of dialogue. Oh, that's really cool. Kind of like how they do with Estinian, and if you're a dragoon, which sadly I wasn't. Oh no, I don't want the loot. No, don't give it to me. My packs are already almost full. Curved sow. Y'all got any of that blue curved sow going on over there? It makes drinks blue. I know that. And it has like a slightly tropical flavor. My wife loves it. I kind of prefer just like whiskey and Coke if I have a drink. Oh my god. Okay, Indiana Jones. Oh god. Alright, I'm over here. It's a Crash Bandicoot level. Haha, last second dodge. Are we all done with the boulders now? Okay. Damn, you right. Frightening cat with scoliosis. Oh my god. Oh, that's actually really cool. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That's a great line. So for some reason my notifications aren't working. If anyone follows and I miss it, or if anyone like subs or anything like that, and I miss you, just let me know in chat, because I'll definitely call you out. Like yesterday, for some reason, things just stopped functioning correctly. Same thing with redeems. I don't know if they're going to show up. And no, that doesn't mean you can lie to me about redeems. I'm on to you. Oh, whoa. Those cave paintings are awesome looking. Time to fight your mount. This is what I get? Oh, when I heard Yol, I thought it was like a yak-like kind of thing. Oh, I didn't know it was going to be a bird. Now I'm even happier. What I said earlier must sound absolutely crazy to people. I was like, oh yeah, I always liked the yak mounts. I'm sorry, man. I didn't see it. I don't know what I have to do for that redeem, but just let me know. I'm gonna be very happy with this mount. Oh, look away. There's so much more time I could have used to hit there, and this music is popping off. What the heck? That also sounds familiar. Is this like the theme for the expansion? Definitely heard this before. Everyone gets so hot. I know it's hard. Like, what am I supposed to do? I can't just have one hot boy favorite. I got hot girl favorites. I just got hot people favorites. It's difficult for me, you know? Ow. It's okay, healer. I wouldn't want to heal me either. But get back down here! Oh, you're purple now. We have to kill your wings now? Come on, big boy. Just come on down and fight us. It's okay. We won't hurt you too much. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Don't want to get hit. Oh, I didn't get the chance to use it. Oh, yeah, of course the samurai uses it. Please, please, I can only get so erect. Oh, man, there's always more room. You think everyone just leveled all the way through max doing Sastasha? Probably someone. People have a lot of time on their hands, and I don't know where they get it from. There was that one guy to level 99 in Kingdom Hearts without even leaving Destiny Islands. I think it took him like multiple years to do it.